Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel How to Guide. In today's guide video, I'm going to show you how you can find someone on Tinder. If this sounds helpful to you, then watch this video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications to never miss any upcoming videos. If you don't know what Tinder is an online dating and geosocial networking application. Through Tinder, you can find new people to meet and to interact with. You can find new people or increase your visibility on Tinder by doing the process I'm going to show you in this video. So firstly, open up your Tinder app, then head to your profile. Now go to the settings. Here if you scroll down, you can see an option called location. Make sure that your location is turned on so that you can find more people around your area. Then in the next option, you see an option called global. If you turn this on, then you can find people not only from your area but also from all over the world. If you turn this option on, then the chances of you finding someone will increase. If you know other languages than English, then you can also add languages so that people who know the language same as you can find you and you will be able to easily interact with them. So if you know any other language, make sure you add them. Then you can see an option called maximum distance. If you reduce this distance, then you can see or your profile will be visible to people to less distances. But if you want to find people or if you to people from far distances, then you can increase this. You can also toggle this option on. Then you will be able to see only people from this range of distance. Then you can also choose who you want to see. If you select everyone, then all types of gender will appear. If you have an age preference, then you can simply choose it by sliding this option. You can set it to exactly the age you like to meet people and also turn this toggle on. If you turn this toggle on, then you will be only able to see people from this specific age range. But if you want to see people below or above this age range, then you can just toggle this off. Then another thing you can do is make sure that this option is turned on. What this will do is, if you turn this off, you will not be shown in the cards tag. People who already liked you can only see your profile, but other than that, no one else will be able to see you. So to avoid that, make sure this option is toggled on. So that's how you can find people on Tinder. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and we'll be soon back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.